Hello there, pumpers. I had to come on for a quick video because I didn't want to miss y'all today, but I'm at Cracker Barrel getting me some good old food. I got me some catfish. Hopefully y'all can hear me. Catfish, some cheese eggs, some loaded hash brown casserole, some cheese grits. And I always give me a pancake on the side with my fat ass. But it's about to be so good. I'll go ahead and try these hash browns. They just started doing the loaded hash browns. Cheesy and warm. It's their regular hash brown, but it got bacon and cheese, extra cheese on it. But I always come here when I get their breakfast, I get their catfish breakfast. Because their catfish be so crispy and it be seasoned so good, you don't even really need nothing on it. Hot. Hot. How y'all doing on this Saturday? Oh shoot. I'm trying to squeeze some of this lemon on here. I'm trying to record y'all discreetly because I don't need nobody to come over and tell me I can't record. Give you some lemon on there. They give you the tartar sauce. Now, they got good tartar sauce like Red Lobster got good tartar sauce. I love Red Lobster tartar sauce. Now, I ain't been to Red Lobster, I don't know when, and last time I went it was nasty as fuck, but I love their tartar sauce. I always get my eggs scrambled lightly with cheese. Try it with the tartar sauce.
Right now we're taking it easy, man. Good sir.
Hash brown, catfish. The grits, you can't go wrong with fish and grits, especially down in the South. I want to come and do.
Alright guys, I'm gonna go ahead and leave this with you. No hurry, of course.
Sounds good. I think I'm gonna add something.
Yeah.
Yeah, the banana pudding.
Yeah.
You want to do it to go or you want to hear?
I'll do it together.
A banana pudding to go?
Yeah.
Okay.
And if you have to do it on a separate bill, it doesn't matter.
Oh no, I can pull that up and
Okay,
do it.
okay.
Yeah, I'll go ahead and get that ready.
All right, appreciate
Thank you so
it.
much.
So they got new banana pudding on their menu. And Wendell's here with me. It's their banana pudding. And he ordered him something to go. And I'm gonna eat that too. All right, y'all, but let me finish this food. I wanted to come in and have a bite with y'all. Let me finish this food. Make sure you tell them people to like, share, and subscribe to my channel. Tell them I need love too, because I love y'all. Come see me. You never know what I might be doing. Shabricia fine, she fine. I'll let her know y'all asked about it. Y'all have a good Saturday. Love y'all. Bye.